Hey everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the third brake light assembly on this Ford Transit Connect. So first things first, you got to pull down this plastic piece here. It has three retainers on the inside, so you're going to have to pry pretty hard. As you can see, those little white pieces there. In a second I'll take it off and I'll show you exactly where they're located, but you do have to pry quite hard, so don't worry. You won't break them, and if you do, they're replaceable. 1, 2, 3. Now you're going to need a 10mm socket to remove the 4 nuts that are holding the assembly in place. In this clip here, I show you 3 of the nuts, and there's going to be one more here over to the side that you're going to need to get. And then once you get those, you can pull up the assembly, and then we're going to have to get this connector out. So you see that little tab there? You just take something, press it down and pull out, and she'll pop right out. But yeah, this is super easy. I hope this helped you guys out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more great how-to videos. Thank you.